Boys, today is gonna be a special day.
Okay, enough teasing. What bike did I go with and why did I go with it? So this is my new 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S. Now, yes, you may be wondering why I went with a mid-size, smaller cruiser. My reasoning behind the Vulcan S and why I chose this bike was because my brother, who's filming this, thank you, has got a big cruiser. He's had big cruisers his whole life. If you can tell, I am vertically challenged, okay? A lot of cruisers are too big and too, not heavy, but they're just not comfortable and I do not feel comfortable on them. The Vulcan has exactly what I was looking for. 650cc, and let me tell you, she puts down, okay? Coming from a Grom, this is like my middle bike. If you are new to this channel, I have a 2023 Honda Grom, and I also have a 1998 Honda VTR 1000. So this is basically directly in the middle, skipping 300 basically. It is used, obviously. It has 10,000 miles on it, and after tax, I paid about $3,700. And the reason I went with this one is if you'll see in a couple of clips, it had everything that I already wanted on it. If you are looking at the Vulcan or new to the Vulcan or don't know, this is a single rider motorcycle from Kawasaki. But this one has a lot of welcome upgrade that me personally kind of was like, okay, I'm leaning towards the Vulcan. That's what I am gonna do. So the current list of upgrades that have already been done is the windshield that I took off. Heated grips. I live in Colorado. It is cold for a good chunk of the year, and those heated grips burn your hands. My brother, he rode this barehanded and it was at like 25% and he had to turn it down because they got so hot. It has the passenger seat installed, the passenger backrest installed, the rear thing that is sitting on the rear rack, it already has that installed. It has a bag up there, and it had very Cheeto saddlebags that I did remove because I do not like tassels. It also has two USB chargers up here. So basically it was loaded to exactly how I wanted it. I love the white. I think it is in great condition for the year that it is. And I wanted something, you know, it's about time. The Grom is great, but I want to start going on some longer trips, and the Grom cannot do that. And the sport bike is extremely uncomfortable. It is also almost 30 years old and it does have problems, and it's just not built for longer road trips like this one is. So my first impression video will be coming soon. So far, you've already probably seen a little bit of riding footage, but so far I am extremely happy. This bike is very smooth. I'm very happy with it. I'll put it that way. I'm very happy and I do not regret my decision. So be on the lookout for my first impressions video of me actually moto vlogging with it and talking about my true first impressions, because there's some things I wasn't expecting and there's some things that I weren't expecting. So make sure to stay tuned, but here it is. It's about time. It's about time that the channel got a brand new bike. So that is what I decided to go with. 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S. So you already know the drill. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.